On the national anthem change, I have no issues with the old national anthem being brought back. I have no issue with the words native or any of those sort. The main concern is how something of such national significance was carried out in less than a week without consultation. I think it sets a bad precedence. It sets a bad precedence on how the governance of our democracy should be carried out. And that is something of concern. It says a lot about the administration, how they regard Nigerians, and what we should do come the next election. Thank you.